The city of Mumbai showcases its cultural legacy with its architectural masterpieces of national and international importance. These landmarks are parts of the city's splendid history and have been instrumental in the evolution of Mumbai in many ways. It is our duty to preserve and conserve this rich heritage for our future generations in unblemished form. With this solemn thought, we started the conservation initiative for the building of the town hall that houses the Royal Asiatic Society Library and the Central Library of Mumbai. We would sincerely like to express our gratitude towards Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, C.H. Vidyasagar Rao, for taking keen interest in this initiative, Honorable Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis for his unwavering support to make a project of this scale a reality, Honorable Minister Chandrakant Dada Patil, Public Works Department, for his valuable guidance throughout the project, and Honorable Minister of State Praveen Pote Patil, Public Works Department, for his encouragement for the cause. Built in 1833 AD, this is amongst the most loved, recognized, and treasured icons of Mumbai. It has ancient books, periodicals, painted folios, many rare manuscripts of Prakrit language, and rare coins as well. In just over a decade, the building will be celebrating its second centenary. The age, seasons, and the elements have taken a toll on this structure, and a thorough restoration exercise was needed. It was a monumental task to restore the building to its original glory, especially when various offices were still operational. But with our concerted efforts and help from the government and other departments, we have overcome the challenges. One of the main challenges of restoring the structure was the roof, which was in a dilapidated state with broken truss ends and damaged valley gutters. Required timber for the structure of the roof was imported directly from Myanmar. After proper seasoning and treatment, they were used for the structure of the roof. The grandeur of such majestic structures is in the details. One has to have the right blend of design aesthetics and architectural sensitivity. Old steel cupboards and furniture was phased out. New furniture and storage was created, keeping in mind the periodic design language. Original flooring was restored with matching solid wood. The wood was treated with specialty coating to match the original shade and design. There are several majestic statues of eminent personalities in the building. They had accumulated deposits of dust and grime and had lost luster over the years. These beautiful sculptures were restored by using traditional methods like poultice cleaning with clay packs and various chemical conservation techniques. Sourcing of authentic material to match the original is also a tough task, We have gone to great lengths in procuring the right material, which will not only help in enhancing the beauty, but will also give a new lease of life to this magnificent landmark. We take utmost pride in presenting this landmark in its original glory. Let us now pass on this heritage to our future generations.